I design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm here today to give you a sneak peek of what is coming in the January mini album club. I love winter. It's got a special beauty all its own. So we're working with simple stories, simple vintage winter woods. This collection is stunning. It's so soft. The colors are just those beautiful wintry beiges and blues and creams. And the patterns are gorgeous. Look at these trees with the snowfall. You know, so many fun things happen in the winter. You have all the little birds in your backyard. You have sledding parties and you have snow days. So we're gonna use, look at these sweet birds. We're gonna use this paper to make an album. And in your kit, you're going to get the entire 12 by 12 collection pack that has all of these beautiful, look at this distressed dot patterns with all these sweet images. You're going to get the journal page with all these wonderful cut aparts, and you're going to get an additional journal page because look at the pattern. How could you choose between those two? So we didn't. We said, let's do both. Same with our 3 by 4 images. We decided not to choose. We want the distressed snowflakes and we want all these gorgeous 3 by 4s. And then we did it again with the 4 by 6s because they're just so beautiful. So that's the paper from the pack. And then you're also going to get, of course, the sticker sheet with all of these wonderful accent pieces and little titles for your pages and such. But then if that's not enough, we want to make sure we have plenty of room for all of our winter memories. So you're going to get a half of a 6 by 8 pad, which is 12 more sheets of 6 by 8 paper from this collection. So that's really cool. And then to help us make mechanisms and mats, we've got this beautiful shabby color palette of the solids, which is perfectly color matched. So you're going to get 6 sheets of that in your kit. So that is the papers. You're also going to get the bits and pieces for the simple vintage winter woods, these wonderful ice skates and little sledding and all these wonderful little, I love these little bits and bobs. It's what makes a project come alive. So that, here's the album we're going to be using. This is an awesome 49 in Market with these chipboard dividers, these pocket pages, wonderful little flips and flaps, and all kinds of pockets, and really, really fun. We're going to make some really great interactive pages. So this comes in your kit. And then in addition to that, you're going to get this beautiful delicate stitched satin ribbon. This is mineral ice. So going to get 2 yards of this brown sugar baker's twine. You're going to get some really sweet little wooden vintage snowflake embellishments, which we're going to do some fun. We're going to use these in a fun way. And then 2 little snowflake charms and these precious little mittens. So this is going to be a great kit. It's a wonderful album. It's gorgeous paper. We're going to have a lot of fun together. And if you hang around, I'll be back in a bit to give you a sneak peek of what we're making.